Oyagala okumanya ebiriwo, ebyaliwo, oba ebigenda okubaawo. Program Tambula n'okumanya gose. Tambula n'okumanya ku MRU TV ne Royal FM. Tambula n'okumanya. Tambula n'okumanya.
Margaret Thatcher was a British stateswoman who served as Prime Minister of the United Kingdom from 1979 to 1990 and leader of the Conservative Party from 1975 to 1990. Margaret Thatcher was born October 13, 1925 in Grantham, United Kingdom by Alfred Roberts and Beatrice Ethel. Thatcher was married to Dennis Thatcher, a wealthy industrialist, in 1951. They had twins Mark Thatcher and Carol Thatcher in 1953. Thatcher studied chemistry at Somerville College, Oxford, and worked briefly as a research chemist before becoming a barrister. She was elected Member of Parliament for Finchley in 1959. Edward Heath appointed her Secretary of State for Education and Science in his 1970 to 1974 government. In 1975, she defeated Heath in the Conservative Party leadership election to become leader of the opposition. She was the first woman to lead a major political party in the United Kingdom. On becoming Prime Minister after winning the 1979 general elections, Thatcher introduced a series of economic policies intended to reverse high inflation and Britain's struggles in the wake of the winter of discontent and an oncoming recession. Her political philosophy and economic policies emphasized deregulation, the privatization of state-owned companies, and reducing the power and influence of the recession and raising unemployment, until victory in the 1982 Falklands War and the recovering economy brought a resurgence of support, resulting in her landslide re-election in 1983. She survived an assassination attempt by the Provisional IRA in the 1984 Brighton hotel bombing and achieved a political victory against the National Union of Mine Workers in the 1984 to 1985 miners' strike. Thatcher was re-elected for a third term with another landslide in 1987, but her subsequent support for the community church was widely unpopular. She resigned as Prime Minister and party leader in 1990 after a challenge was launched to her leadership. After retiring from the Commons in 1992, she was given a life peerage as Baroness Thatcher, which entitled her to sit in the House of Lords. In 2013, she died of a stroke at the Riches Hotel in London at the age of 87.